So what are the basic principal elements for metal cutting machining? So there are principal elements for metal cutting machining are cutting speed, feed और depth of cut. Particular cutting speed की बात करते हैं तो cutting speed can be defined as the relative speed between the tool and the job, and it relative term since either the tool or the job or both may be moving during cutting. इसको हम लोग एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं इन बेसिकली मीटर पर मिनट यानी एमपीएम में, और इसका जो अमाउंट होता है अमाउंट ऑफ लेंथ दैट विल बी द कटिंग एज ऑफ द टूल per unit of time. Then there are feed, depth of cut. In the feed, basically defined as the relatively small movement, relatively small movement so it may be defined as a relative small movement per cycle of the cutting tool और relative to the work piece में हम in direction जो कि usually perpendicular है cutting speed direction के, और इसको हम लोग एक्सप्रेस करते हैं इन मिलीमीटर पर रिवॉल्यूशन दैट इज mm पर रिवॉल्यूशन और या मिलीमीटर पर स्ट्रोक या mm STR में. बेसिकली it is more complex element as compared to cutting speed since it is expressed differently for various operation. जैसे कि एग्जांपल के लिए टर्निंग और ड्रिलिंग. Feed is the axial advance of the tool along through the job during each revolution of the tool or job, particular for the shaper and planer, or it is the latest offset between the tool or work for each stroke or multi-tooth milling cutters. So the multi-tooth milling cutter feed is the advance of the work or cutter between the cutting action of the successive teeth expressed by basically as mm per tooth. Then depth of cut, there are depth of cut. In the depth of cut में हम लोग देखते हैं is the thickness of the layer of metal जो कि removed हो रही है in one cut, और या pass या measured in a direction जो कि perpendicular to the machine surface. और जो डेप्थ ऑफ कट होती है वो ऑलवेज परपेंडिकुलर होती है डायरेक्शन ऑफ फीड ऑफ मोशन की. तो देन सिलेक्शन ऑफ द कटिंग स्पीड, जो कटिंग स्पीड है सिलेक्शन ऑफ कटिंग स्पीड, तो उसमें बेसिकली हम लोग बात करते हैं वर्क मटेरियल. दिस वाज द डायग्राम फॉर एलिमेंट ऑफ मशीनिंग. दिस वाज द डायग्राम फॉर एलिमेंट ऑफ मशीनिंग. In this diagram you have seen that just a position, there are a feed, this is the depth of cut, this is the initial position of the tool after one, this one is the revolution of job, and this is the notation D, N, gamma, F, T, C, S, B, D. So work material hard और strong materials require for lower cutting speed, जबकि सॉफ्ट और डक्टाइल मटेरियल्स के हम लोग हायर कटिंग स्पीड यूज करते हैं. कटिंग टूल मटेरियल बेसिकली स्पेशली हम कटिंग टूल मटेरियल जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल अगर बात कर लें सीमेंटेड कार्बाइड्स की, सिरामिक्स की, स्टीलाइट्स की और HSS की, विल कट द मच हायर कटिंग स्पीड देन अलॉय या कार्बन टूल स्टील. देन पर्टिकुलर डेप्थ ऑफ कट और फीड की बात करते हैं तो देयर आर डेप्थ ऑफ कट एंड फीड, तो हम लोग यूज करते हैं इसमें लाइट फिनिशिंग कट विद फाइन फीड may be run at a higher speed than heavy roughing cut. And further there are a depth of cut and feed, that is light finishing cut with a fine feed may be run at a higher speed than heavy roughing cut. Then desired cutting tool, then there desired cutting tool जो tool life होगा is that function of cutting temperature जो कि increase with increase in cutting speed. Thus the cutting speed is increased, cutting tool life is decreased, and there were rigidity and condition of the machine and tool and rigidity of the work. First, that is, and a loose machine working with a poorly supported tool on the thin bar will not cut at such a high speed. A good machine with rigid tool operating on a well supported reasonable dimension. So there are a principle of metal cutting machining, that is cutting speed, feed and depth of cut, and there are a basic diagram for element of machining. In there are a diagram, there are a spatial arrangement, there are cutting tool material, there are a feed, there are a depth of cut. These are the importantly principal elements of machining. इसमें बात की जाती है कटिंग स्पीड की, फीड की और डेप्थ ऑफ कट की. Then it is understable, that is the selection of feed. In the selection of feed की बात करते हैं particular. In the selection of feed is to be used will depend upon the following factors. पहला, उसकी smoothness of the finish required. दूसरा, power available condition of the machine and its drive, and there are a type of cut and tool life. So first is the smoothness of the finish required. A coarse feed will given wider or deeper machining marks and an inferior finish to the fine speed. A blunt nose tool will give a better finish than a sharp tool for the same feed. Second selection of feed के लिए poor power available condition of the machine and its drive. तो जो product of the speed, feed और depth of cut है वो gives the amount of metal being removed और hence power necessary. A feed on a poor or badly driven machine जो कि harmful करती है both the machine और tool को. This will also result in slipping of the driven or belt. And then further is the type of cut. A general rule give core set feed possible for a roughing cut because finishing is unimportant. Therefore, finishing cut is a feed should be fine enough to give the class of finish required. Then tool life. In their tool life, the cutting temperature increase with increase of feed and resulting is decreased tool life. A simple rule of thumb: a connecting feed and nose radius for rough turing, that is f mm per revolution, that is 0.5 into nose radius, and the maximum recommended feed rate is of the order is 2 by 3 of its nose radius. So the highly feeds are inserted. First, they are having a strong cutting edge with at least 60-degree cutting edge angle. Second, that are single sided. Third, there are the used with a smaller entering angle at 90-degree, and fourth, that are used in material with good machinability and moderate cutting speed. Then what are the selection of depth of cut? There are a selection of depth of cut basically. In there are selection of depth of cut. The depth of cut basically used will depend on the following factors. पहला, the type of cut. Generally the cutting the use हम कर रहे हैं large depth of cut for roughing operation, then finishing operation, and second टूल लाइफ, जो कटिंग टेम्परेचर है वो इंक्रीज विद इंक्रीज ऑफ डेप्थ ऑफ कट रिजल्टिंग इन डिक्रीज टूल लाइफ। देन पावर रिक्वायर्ड, जो कटिंग स्पीड होगा वो मल्टीप्लाइड होगा बाय एरिया ऑफ कट, जो कि एक्चुअली क्या होगा, थीटा डेप्थ ऑफ कट, जो कि हमें देता है गिव्स अ मेटल रिमूवल रेट, जिसको MRR बोलते हैं, जो कि हमें पावर रिक्वायरमेंट्स, which is the power requirements for a given area of cut or large ratio of depth of cut of feed usually gives the most efficient performance as well as better surface finish. So what is the formula used for this? This formula is P is equal to pi dn m per minute. D is the diameter of of work या cutter, and n is the revolution per minute of work or cutter. V is the cutting speed of work or cutter. पर्टिकुलर कॉमन वैल्यू की बात करें, जो कॉमन वैल्यू ऑफ कटिंग स्पीड और फीड की जो डेप्थ ऑफ कट होता है वो बेसिकली हम लोग यूजली लेते हैं 4 to 5 mm इन रफ टर्निंग, और 0.5 से लेकर 2 mm तक सेमी फिनिश टर्निंग, और 0.1 से लेकर 0.4 mm तक फिनिश टर्निंग, यानी 4 to 5, दैट इज 4 to 5 रफ टर्निंग, फिर 0.5 to 2 mm for semi finish turning, and 0.1 to 0.4, that is your for finish turning. So depth of cut is usually taken 3 to 5 times the feed for rough operations, and the values are finishing operation are usually small.